Hey guys, I've got her pulled out of the garage and there's something big happening today. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet. Let's just say she's going to be about 300 kilos lighter at the end of the day. There she is. Not often you get to see her outside in the sun. Well, I'll cut back to you when there's a bit of progress. I tell you, she hasn't seen the street in a while. Looking good. You'll find out what's happening to her soon enough. Don't worry guys, she's coming back. So I think I've teased you enough. It's the next day, ready for the big surprise? Oh, 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 oh! The Ecotech's gone. That's alright. She's sold. And I'm picking up the supercharged motor this week. So I've been doing my research and making my shopping lists. So we're so far looking at headwork, lower intake manifold ported, supercharger ported, full exhaust system, what else? Cam, lifters, all the good party bits. She's looking pretty bare. I'm just giving her a hose out at the moment. I think I'm going to go through a few cans of this stuff. But she's looking much better now, isn't she? Look at that, my steering rack was silver. My cross member's black with paint now, not with grease. Edges are white. You can see there's a little bit of rust down there where the headers have probably rubbed or just from the heat. And over here where there was obviously a brake fluid leaking at some point. So really there's not much work to do in the engine bay at all. So she'll be getting stripped and painted hopefully pretty soon. Right, well I'm gonna roll her into the shed and call it a day. Are you ready for the big surprise? Ba-ba-da-da! Supercharged L67. Just got her home. First order of business. will be to get her on the stand and start stripping her down. Then we'll be taking off the charger. I'll have to machine the snout for the new pulley. Port the charger itself. Port the intake. Throttle body will go for either just throw on an LS1 throttle body, or get the Mace one that's been bought out. Then it's time to pull off these heads, and we'll port that as well. Then all your normal party bits like cam and lifters. You get excited, everyone. I am. I can't wait to start work on this.
Drop.